Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about this hair system right here. This is the L'Oreal Elvive Bond Repair. So this was kindly gifted to me from L'Oreal. They sent me the pre-shampoo, the shampoo, the conditioner and the serum. Now before we go into the full review, I do just want to quickly talk about gifted and paid videos. So I was gifted this to review for TikTok. I don't have to post on Instagram and I don't have to post on YouTube. That is not a necessity. This was for me to review over on TikTok. Now I choose to come to YouTube because I think you have the right to know if these products are good or not. I do not have to love these products. I don't have to hate these products. They're just genuinely products gifted to me to review and try. That is it. Now, what I will say is when I'm an affiliate with like Look Fantastic, which I am, I'm also an affiliate with Boots and I am an affiliate with Amazon. What that means is if you purchase off a link down below that I have provided you with, I will get paid a very small amount of commission for putting that link up to that shop. It's not that I've promoted that product, it's that I've promoted that store. So for example, with Look Fantastic, in order for me to provide you with the 20% discount code that I do, I have to promote Look Fantastic as a shop. So I am an affiliate with Look Fantastic, not with the brands, if that makes sense, okay? I'm an affiliate with Look Fantastic, Boots and Amazon. Unfortunately, with Boots and Amazon, I can't get you a discount code. That isn't how it works. But Boots itself, I can use any product in the world from them. I am not obliged to love or hate them. I can just give my honest review on them. And if I leave the link down below and you purchase from it, I get a very small fraction. And I mean a very small percent. It is not much, but I use that money to reinvest in my YouTube channel, to buy more products, to review for you. So just so you know how this works, I have not been paid to promote this video. None of you, I could make this video and no one purchases from the link. I don't get paid. So I just wanted to make that clear because I've noticed on TikTok that they're saying commission paid on a video where someone's saying they got gifted. There's no items linked or anything. If that's not commission paid, I'm not getting paid for that video. So I just wanted to clear up the difference. I just wanted to clear that up. I am not getting paid for this. This is my honest opinion and we are going to get into it. Please don't forget to comment, like and subscribe and let's just get into the video. Okay, so let's just get into it. So the products you get sent in the box are the pre-shampoo, the shampoo, the conditioner, one more, and the serum. Now, I was already eyeing up these products before they sent me them. I received this parcel the day before I was going shopping and I was going to purchase the shampoo and conditioner if I seen it. Now, I then received these products and I was over the moon. And the reason why these products caught my eye is because they are awfully similar looking to this brand right here. So this is the Redken Acidic Perfecting Concentrate 5% Leave-In Treatment Conditioner. And if you are new here, you're not going to know, but I absolutely love this product. I love it. It is such a gorgeous leave-in treatment. It smells amazing. It just works. It works. Now, what I find funny is Redken is owned by L'Oreal. So I do believe this brand, and that's why it caught my eye, I believe this brand of product has been created to be the more affordable version of this. Now, some of you might be sitting there thinking, but this isn't cheap. It's not. And I will leave as many links down below with any discount codes I can get you as best as I possibly can. This brand, this shampoo system isn't cheap. However, the good thing about it being an Elvive range means that it's more likely to be on offer. They may have buy one, get one free or buy one, get one half price, which will always be cheaper than the Redken. Always. The Redken is a lot more expensive, especially if you want the whole hair system. You can get the whole hair system, all 4 of these products, for less than the shampoo and conditioner from Redken. So although it is pricey for an Elvive, it's still not a Redken pricey. So I just wanted to talk about price point first because I've got to be honest, I was shocked when I seen the price point. Now this bottle, this Redken is 150 mils. The serum you're getting from Elvive is 150 mils. I would say this is probably L'Oreal's most priciest hair system, but it's because it is different to all the other products they have on the market. So there is a pre-shampoo. You don't find the pre-shampoo when it comes to L'Oreal Vive's hyaluronic range. Now, I absolutely love the hyaluronic range. And I'm going to be brutally honest, I've loved L'Oreal shampoos for a very, very long time. I have purchased the Elvive hyaluronic. I have purchased the red one, which is the colour hair thing, which I don't believe any brand of shampoo is going to elongate my semi-permanent hair dye. It is going to wash out no matter what shampoo I use. So I don't really buy it for that reason. I bought it because I liked the way it washed my hair and I liked the way it felt. I love the mint green one, which I think is for an oily scalp. At one point I had an oily scalp and it was frustrating me, and I used that and I really, really liked it. I have purchased the argan oil one, which I really like. And the only one I've ever not had a good time with was Dream Links. It made my hair feel so greasy and it had a film on it. So there is an Elvive I don't like. And to be quite honest with you, the red one I go hit and miss with. So I used it consistently for, I'd say, 3 years. And funnily enough, I seen someone put this on Facebook at the same time as when I was having the issues with it. I believe they changed the formula because it wasn't working the same way as it used to. Now, when I use it now, I do feel as though maybe they've switched the formula again, and it's not perfect, but I still like it, whereas there was a phase where I hated it. So like I said, I am a L'Oreal Elvive fan, and I'll always be honest. We're going to talk about this product first. This is the pre-shampoo. Now, on the front, it says this is the Bond Repair Rescue Pre-Shampoo. Recreates inner broken hair bonds with 12% Bond Repair Complex with citric acid. And then on the back, it says, hair is made up of millions of bonds that give it structure and strength. When hair bonds break through brushing, bleaching, heating and styling, it becomes weak and damaged. For the first time, our formula is powered with citric acid to target damaged hair. So I'll be honest, for me, when my hair is going to break, it's going to be brushing and styling. I don't use that much heat on it, to be honest. But when I do style it, I'm always putting bobbles in it. It's always pulled back. It's barely ever down. And recently I have been saying to myself, right, you need to start having your hair down when you're in the house, just so that it's not always pulled back and in a tight bobble. I also get terrible head sore, so I really need to stop wearing my hair tied up as much as I possibly can. But I've never really been a pre-shampoo person. It's not something I've went out and bought. But I did like the concept of a pre-shampoo. I felt as though I was getting a more salon-like experience at home. So I dampened my hair and then I put this from root to tip. I will leave my TikTok video down below. I was going to film for YouTube me putting it in, but I feel as though on YouTube I really want to talk about the products, not really show you me using them. So it's a much shorter, quick, straight to the point video down below. So I will leave that TikTok link down below so you can watch me use the products. So I dampened my hair and then I put this in from root to tip and left it for 5 minutes. And I've got to be honest, when I washed my hair in the shower, it felt as though it already had a bit of a shampoo. It felt soft. It felt like not as, it just didn't feel, I don't know, it felt like I already had a treatment. It felt like I'd had a treatment in my hair, which is what I expected it to feel like, because I was thinking if I wash this off and it doesn't feel like anything, what's it doing? So I did really like it. I will use the range without the pre-shampoo and see if it makes any difference. I liked using the pre-shampoo, but it is a very creamy product. Okay, so that's the consistency of the pre-shampoo. It smells so nice, you know? It smells really fresh, but like, I can't put my finger on the smell. It smells like something, but it smells gorgeous nonetheless. It is such a nice consistency. It goes over the hair really well. I'm just not one for wasting products, so I've put that back in. But it is a really, really nice consistency. And when I washed it off in the shower, I did feel like my hair had already had a full treatment put on, with the same feeling of what I would do if I was to sleep in a treatment. It felt like that, if that makes any sense. You know, when you put a hair mask on before bed and then you sleep in it and the next morning you wash it all out and your hair feels lovely. It felt like that, but within the 5 minute frame rather than you sleeping in it. So I did like this. The next up is shampoo and conditioner. So the shampoo is 5% Bond Repair Complex. Says the exact same thing on the back. I've got to be honest, when I went in with the shampoo after the pre-shampoo, it felt like I was getting a better wash. And what I mean by that is, do you ever find, and this could be just a personal thing for me, I wash my hair once a week, and I do find that when I double cleanse my hair, which I always do, I went in twice with this, I go in twice with all shampoos. The first wash is never a good one. Nothing suds up, nothing seems to like feel clean. When I went in with this, the first wash felt clean. It was sudding up. It felt like I was really able to work the product into my hair. And I don't know whether that's because this is doing, the chemicals of this is creating that extra good clean. I don't know. But it felt as though straight away, well, it's not even like I felt, it did. It sudded up straight away. I really got in there. It felt clean. When I washed that out, it felt really clean. And then when I went in with the second wash, sometimes I feel as though my hair can feel like you might have overwashed it when you double cleanse. I didn't get that feeling with this. Everyone goes on double cleanse, double cleanse, double cleanse, and it does make sense to double cleanse your hair, but I felt like I could probably get away with one on this one as well. So the shampoo sudded up really well, and it did, you know, feel as though I got a good clean. The one product I really was shocked about though was the conditioner. So this has 10% bond repair complex with citric acid, and I don't think I can get any back in this. But can you see? I'll see if I can squeeze. That is the conditioner. It is so thick. The only way I can explain it is when you put your body moisturiser on and you pour it out and it's dead liquidy, that's a normal conditioner. This conditioner is like Weleda Skin Food. It is so thick. So I'm going to show you it on just taking the excess off because I don't want to waste any. It is so thick. It smells gorgeous. It smells divine. It smells so nice. Even my mum went, your hair smells gorgeous. It smells more like a very expensive perfume. That's the only way I can put it. A very, very, very expensive perfume. The conditioner is really, really thick, and the scent, I would say, definitely gives me like expensive perfume vibes. It really, really does. It is such a nice conditioner. I was really shocked by the conditioner. Out of all the products, I think the conditioner threw me the most because of how thick it was, how it really did feel like it conditioned my ends. When I got out the shower, these three had been used. I didn't feel like I needed the serum. It just didn't feel like it. Now, that is normally when I go in with the Redken. This is where my usual routine is: shampoo, conditioner, Redken. In this case, it was shampoo, pre-shampoo, shampoo, conditioner, and then it's going to be serum. So the serum has the highest level of bond repair, which is 20%. So this has 20% bond repair complex, and this is for shielding hair bonds and boosts shine. So this says that it leave-in treatment for intense conditioning, it's heat protectant, style and aid, hydration, intense protection. So this actually has heat protectant in. This doesn't mention anywhere on the front that it has heat protectant, but I'll read the back, which says, hair is made up of the million bonds. It goes on to say the same thing. It then says, hair is stronger, shinier and easy to manage. You get 12 times less split ends and up to 98% stronger hair and 82% more shine using the serum. It doesn't mention anywhere. It says, use a finishing touch in the bond repair routine for stronger hair with maximum shine and damage protection. So it does have damage protection, but it doesn't state heat protection. So it says, rub 2 drops between the palms of your hands, apply evenly through the lengths and ends of wet or dry hair. I use this on towel dried hair, so I let my hair air dry to about 50% before I applied this, and I done 2 pumps in half my hair and 2 pumps in the other half of my hair. Now, although it says it helps for damage protection, this specifically says it helps with, it has heat protectant in it. So they are slightly different. Now, if I compare this hair system to using the whole acidic Redken treatment, so by that I mean the shampoo, the conditioner and the leave-in conditioner, I do feel as though there's similarities. When I used the acidic bond concentrate from Redken, my hair felt strong, it was shiny, it just felt better. I feel as though I had less breakage. When using this shampoo system, I've had the similar feeling. My hair feels strong, and I'm going to show you my brush, which doesn't always look like this. This is the amount of hair that came out my head today brushing it from when I slept. Now, bear in mind, I didn't brush my hair till just before this video. I'd been out for a walk, I'd done a full day, and then I'm sitting down filming. So that was all. Let me just pull them out. That was it. Wow, there's dust in there as well. Oh no, it's not dust. It's off the mat in there. Anyway, that is all I had. I can't say that normally happens with me. I molt like an absolute shaggy dog. I am terrible. But I do feel like my hair feels stronger. And what I did notice is I get the same feeling with this. I can get the brush through my head like that. Before I used this, my brush was always like, I was always having to like be like, and really like raggy. Whereas once I started using this, I realised how much that was helping my hair because my brush was just gliding through my hair. I'm getting the same effect from these products. I haven't felt all week. Like I said, this was the second wash. This was last night. I washed my hair. And I just want to show you the shine on... I've got gloss on. The shine on my hair is gorgeous. Look at that shine. It is absolutely stunning. And not to be graphic, but this is fact. This is what happens for us long-haired people. I didn't pull that much hair out my bum. Let's face it, that's what happens. All that hair gathers, it falls down your back and it gathers in your bum cheeks. I had hardly pulled any hair out. There was hardly any hair in the plug in comparison to normal. So I do feel like it's doing something. It really, really does. Now, I will definitely keep putting this to the test. I will use this until every single bit is gone. And then I will come on and do an updated video for you because it is a much pricier drugstore product. But I am actually really, really liking this range. And I will try it without the pre-shampoo. I will just try it with the shampoo and conditioner. 1 week I'll do it without the serum and without the pre-shampoo. I will mix it all up and see how it goes. But I've got to be honest, I do really like this range. I feel as though this range is deliberately been made. I do feel as though it is meant to appear like a dupe for Redken. Do I think it's a dupe? No. Do I think it's very similar? Yes, I do. I feel as though I get more or less the same outcome with my hair as I did when I used the Redken shampoo, conditioner and leave-in treatment. Look. Brush just goes through my hair. I never ever used to have that. I used to have to sit and be like, and then I'd move up to the next bit, and then I'd move up to the next bit. But a brush just glides through. And I've never really had that until I bought the Redken. And when I put this to the test, that is the first test for me. If the brush doesn't just glide through my hair through the week, it's not the same. It's not. Because even just this on its own, I don't need the shampoo and conditioner. This on its own does what I need it to do. It helps me glide the brush through. If I don't use that, I don't get that. But you can literally see, as I'm brushing it, how shiny my hair is. It even feels soft, but it feels thicker. It feels stronger. It is such a nice hair system. It really, really is. I couldn't recommend enough. This side hasn't really been brushed. I haven't brushed this side. Again, there you go. Just glides right on through. Not a single knot. And I've been flipping my hair around as I've been sitting here. But it's such a nice hair system. I feel like this video is going to be a little bit chaotic and I don't mean it to be, but I really wanted to go in as much detail as possible. Like I said, I will leave the link of me actually using the products down below from TikTok, and I will leave my mum's opinion as well, and then I will probably do a follow-up. If you want a follow-up video, do please let me know down below. I will give you a follow-up once I've finished all these products, but if you don't, I won't bother. So basically, so yeah, that's this video done. Thank you so much for watching. I will leave all the links down below. If I can get you a discount code, I will. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.